Steelers' urgent need. Should Pittsburgh take a chance on JK Dobbins? The Pittsburgh Steelers are at a crossroads this offseason, facing a pressing need that could shape their success in the upcoming season. With Najee Harris now gone, the team finds itself with a significant hole in the backfield. Harris, while not a flashy superstar, was the heartbeat of the Steelers' rushing attack, consistently reliable and capable of handling a heavy workload. His departure leaves the Steelers searching for a new leader to carry the rock. Currently, Jaylen Warren stands as the de facto number one running back, but beyond him, there's a noticeable lack of proven depth. This isn't just a minor roster tweak, it's a critical area that needs immediate attention. The Steelers can't afford to head into the 2025 season with question marks in their backfield, especially with the AFC North being as competitive as ever. While many teams turn to the NFL draft to fill such gaps, Pittsburgh might consider a more aggressive approach, signing a proven talent in free agency. Bleacher Report's Moton recently spotlighted JK Dobbins as one of the top 10 remaining free agents and named the Steelers as one of the best fits for his skill set. This isn't just a casual suggestion. It's a legitimate possibility that could reshape the Steelers' offensive dynamic. Why JK Dobbins? Dobbins, a former Ohio State standout, has shown flashes of brilliance when healthy. In the 2024 season, with the Los Angeles Chargers, he rushed for 95 yards and an impressive 9 touchdowns, averaging 4.6 yards per carry. His ability to find the end zone makes him a valuable asset, particularly in short yardage and goal line situations. He's a dynamic, explosive runner with the vision and burst to turn ordinary plays into big gains. However, the elephant in the room is his injury history. Since entering the NFL with the Baltimore Ravens in 2020, Dobbins has struggled to stay on the field. He's never played a full 17-game season, and from 2021 to 2023, he appeared in just 9 games. Injuries have been a constant hurdle, with a knee issue last season, causing him to miss 4 games. The risk versus reward dilemma. So, the big question for the Steelers: is Dobbins worth the risk? On paper, he has the talent to be a game changer. If Pittsburgh can sign him to a 1-year deal, it would be a low-risk, high-reward situation. A short-term contract allows the team to evaluate his health and performance without committing long-term resources. But the Steelers can't afford to rely solely on Dobbins' durability. Injuries are unpredictable, and history suggests he's more likely to miss time than stay fully healthy. To hedge against this risk, Pittsburgh could take a dual approach: sign Dobbins and draft a running back in the upcoming NFL draft. This way, they'd have both a proven, high-upside veteran and a young rookie who could step in if needed. What this means for the Steelers' offense: adding Dobbins would instantly boost the Steelers' rushing attack. His speed and elusiveness could complement the physical style of Warren, creating a dynamic backfield duo. With the added threat of a capable running game, the Steelers could take some pressure off their quarterback, allowing for more balanced offensive play calling. Moreover, having a reliable running game would benefit Pittsburgh's young offensive line, giving them a consistent ground game to lean on as they continue to develop. It could also open up play-action opportunities, which is crucial for any quarterback trying to find rhythm in the passing game. Final thoughts. The Steelers are in a pivotal moment. They need a running back who can be both a workhorse and a game changer. JK Dobbins has the talent to be that guy, but his injury history makes this a high-risk, high-reward scenario. A one-year deal could be the perfect gamble, giving Pittsburgh a chance to see if Dobbins can finally stay healthy while also keeping their options open with the draft. In the end, it's a move that could pay off in a big way, or backfire. But in the NFL, sometimes the biggest risks lead to the greatest rewards. The Steelers have a chance to strike gold with Dobbins. Will they take the chance